Okay, welcome, and this is how to make a seating animation for R6. What you're going to want to do is click create, and if you don't have a game already, you can click create experience. But I already have a game, so I will just click edit in studio, open Roblox, which will internally launch Roblox Studio like this. Now this is my game. So what you're going to want to do is click avatar at the top of the studio page, rig builder. You can choose from a R15 to R6. I'm going to make this a R6 build because it's simply easier to animate. I'm going to import a block and a block rig, which you can simply put anything you want. You can do arthro, skin, you can do your avatar, or you can make a mesh avatar like this. Anyone works. Now that you have your rig in the game, you're going to click animation editor right up here. So you're going to then click on the rig. Now name your animation. I'm going to name this test animation. Test anim. Now what you're going to want to do is position your, just make a quick stance that you want to be the animation. Like so. This goes like that, and same thing for here. I'll just put the leg up like so. So like that. And this will be my animation. Now you want to enable looping, which means that the animation will forever stay like this and not change. So to do that, you enable looping. If you don't want that, if you don't enable looping, then your avatar will stay like this for 1 second and then revert back to the original seating, which means it will either be standing or doing the default sitting. So make sure you have looping enabled right here. Once you're finished with that, you're going to click these 3 buttons here, go to set animation priority right here, hover over it, and set this to idle, since this is a idle seating animation. Now you're going to click these 3 buttons again and click publish to Roblox right here. Once you've done that, you will get this page. Now depending on what you're making this game for, if it's a group, you will click the creator and you will select the group right here that the game is in. The game has to be from the group or either from you. If the game is from you, from your Roblox profile, then you will select this. But if the game is from a group that you've created and you've created the game through the group, then you will select the group and upload the animation by clicking submit. You can name it right here, give it a description so you can remember, and click submit. Once you're done, you're going to want to click this copy button right here, which copies the animation ID. Now, say for example you forget the ID. What you can do is you can go to your browser, back to this tab right here. If it's your group, you can select right here and select the group, but I'm not in a group, so since I uploaded this to my profile, I will click development items. I will then click animation, and it says test animation here. I can click copy as an ID, or you can simply click on the item and copy it from the bar up here. Now once you finish that, you want to go back to the game, and you're going to then put the animation inside of a seat. You will need to make a script. This will be linked in the description, or you can copy it right here. Add a script to the seat, and then add an animation. To do that, you want to click on the seat, insert object, and type in a animation right there. But this is linked in the description. Everything is set up and ready, so you will click on set animation right here, and you will enter the ID of the animation you've just created. Then you can just go ahead and click play here to test. So now that you load in, see, as I was saying earlier, this is a R6 animation and my character is R15. So what you're going to do is change your avatar back. You're going to change your avatar to R6 since this is an R6 avatar, and then you're going to hit play. So that happened because the avatar was AR15 and this is an R6 animation. If you want AR15 animation, you click rig builder right here and select rig type as R15, just like so, and like always you make your rig. Now once that's been finished, you're going to want to animation, and the same process, just create your animation, move it around, and do what you feel like. That's simply it. Since this is a R6 animation, I will make my avatar R6 and then click play here. Now once I've done that, I'm in R6 and the animation is playing. See, if I had disabled looping, then the character would have stopped this and was stand up like this, or simply using the default sitting feature. Anyways.